Angela from SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food. Today we're going to do a grain-free, sugar-free, keto-friendly chocolate chip cookie stuffed with pecans. So the first thing we're going to do is mix our flour together, and I'm going to use almond flour and coconut flour. At the end of this video, I have listed all of the ingredients and how much of each that you're going to need. Plus, you can always go to SpinachTiger.com where I have a ton of keto-friendly recipes. So I'm going to whisk that together. Then I'm going to add baking soda, xanthan gum, and salt. So we get all of our dry ingredients together. I'm so happy that Swerve makes a brown sugar. You can read all about Swerve at SpinachTiger.com or the Swerve website. So original chocolate chip cookies have brown sugar and regular sugar. So this is a mix. So I have mixed the granulated, and it's actually powdered erythritol. That's what adds to the sweetener. I have added half of the white granulated and half of the brown sugar. And I'm going to add that in to my flours. And then I'm just going to put all of this in a mixer. You could do this by hand, but I'm just going to put this all in a mixer. I'm going to add a half a stick of butter, or a half a cup of butter and a full stick. And I'm going to add my egg. I'm just going to put everything in at once, and then I'm just going to have this mix. And the one thing I forgot to add is the vanilla, so I'm going to go grab that. Now, to make the chocolate chip cookie sugar-free, I'm using Lily's chocolate chips. So we're going to add the chocolate chips, and we're going to add in the pecans. Now I have my cookie dough, and it's all done, and you can taste it if you've used fresh eggs. Anyway, I'm going to refrigerate my cookie dough for 24 hours. It just makes a better dough. When it comes out and it's cold, I'm going to roll it into 2 bars like this. Now you can freeze these at this point in time, or just keep them in the refrigerator for probably 5 or 6 days. So I'm going to cut them about, I'm thinking that's a ½ inch, and then we're going to flatten them out a little bit. And we're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. You can get up to 12 per roll. Again, that's going to depend on the size of the cookie that you're making. You don't need to spray your pan for cookies, but I'm just going to use the Silpat. You can use parchment paper, or you can just use your baking sheet. Okay, so these are going to go into the oven, and they'll be ready in 10 minutes. Okay, the one thing I forgot to do is add the flaked sea salt. This is Maldon flaked sea salt. You can get this on Amazon. And so I just grabbed them real quick back out of the oven to put it on. It really makes the difference. So if you love salty sweet, you are gonna love these cookies. So that's that. Now they go back in the oven. So 11 minutes later, these cookies look phenomenal. And we've got that Maldon sea salt on them. So what I'm going to do is just get them onto this cookie rack here and let them completely cool. So that's it. That is the keto-friendly, grain-free, sugar-free chocolate chip cookie with lots of pecans in it. Thank you for visiting SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food. Come back. Please subscribe, because I'm going to have a lot of keto-friendly desserts coming. And go to the website, because there's already at least probably 25 there already. SpinachTiger.com. Find me on Instagram at SpinachTiger. And thank you again for subscribing, because we really do appreciate it. What I like to do. My batter is takes 7,000. Here's what I like to do. My batter is done, and I've got, no, it's not batter. Here's what I